Craving authentic BBQ flavor without the mess of charcoal or gas? Let's explore what the Ninja Woodfire brings to your outdoor cooking experience. The Ninja Woodfire is an all-in-one outdoor cooking appliance that combines the ease of electric power with the rich flavors of wood-fire cooking. Its integrated smoker box uses 100% natural wood pellets to infuse your food with authentic smoky flavors, all without the need for charcoal or gas. With 7 cooking functions: grill, smoke, air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, you can prepare a wide variety of dishes to suit any occasion. Its generous 28 centimeters by 37 centimeter grill plate fits 8 burgers, 16 sausages, 2 racks of ribs, or a 2 kilograms pork shoulder, making it ideal for entertaining. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for gardens, patios, campsites, and balconies. Its weather-resistant construction ensures year-round outdoor use. Cleanup is straightforward, thanks to its non-stick grill plate and removable grease tray. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!